Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the boxes in perspective worksheet. If you're working on that today and you're having a little bit of trouble, you're just going to need a pencil and a ruler if you have it. If you don't have a ruler, you just need a straight edge. What you're going to do is connect each one of these lines to the vanishing point to create the side, the straight line corner of your box. So if you're finishing this whole sheet, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. We're going to start with this first one here. And the first thing that you're going to do is to connect each one of these lines to all the corners of those lines to the vanishing point. So I'm going to start with the top of this line, and I'm going to go to this vanishing point on the left-hand side here and make my line. Then I'm going to go to the bottom and start from the bottom edge of that and go to that vanishing point. So I've got a line here and a line here. Now I'm going to go to the second vanishing point. The exercise that we did in class, we only did one vanishing point, but we're doing 2-point perspective, so we have 2 vanishing points. So from the top of that line to the vanishing point, and the bottom of that line to the next vanishing point. So now I've got this line going off in 2 different directions from top and bottom. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to create the sides of the box. I can make this box as big or small as I want, but I'm going to have to draw a vertical line from the top edge of that to the bottom. So I have that edge on that side. I'll draw another one on this side. So I've got my 2 edges of my box. Now I'm going to draw a line from the bottom of that box to the opposite vanishing point. So from this side, I'm going to draw a line from that bottom to that vanishing point, because that's the opposite side. And then from this one, I'm going to draw a bottom from the bottom of that box to this vanishing point, making sure I'm lined up really nice to that vanishing point. Now I've created my box. All I need to do now to finish my other boxes is erase those extra lines that I don't need, because you don't want to confuse them when you go to drawing your other boxes. Erase all those lines best as I can. And now I have another floating box, just like this one, in 2-point perspective. After this, move on to the next.